Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on remote app events on MacBook Air. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on remote app event on MacBook Air, click on System Preferences, then click on Sharing. Here you will find an option Remote Apple Events, and by default Remote Apple Events are turned off, and click on the checkbox to turn it on. And here you will find two options for allow access, one all users and another one is only these users. If you select all users, that means all users are allowed to access remote Apple events, and if you select only these users and click on add, then select a user and click on select. Now this user is permitted to access to the remote Apple events. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.